If you want to erase all data on Google Pixel 9a, we have three main ways to do so. The first method is to open the phone settings. Over here we need to scroll down until you find the system option. Then in system, scroll down again in order to go to reset options, and then over here we have erase all data option, factory reset. Once you go over here, you will find the summary of everything that will be removed. You can also erase eSIMs as well. And then you just confirm by pressing erase all data, enter the screen lock password, proceed, and then once again press erase all data in order to hard reset your Google Pixel 9a. However, there is also an option to factory reset, and that is by using the recovery mode. In order to do so, first we need to press the power button and volume up button in order to open the power menu, and then we need to power off our phone. Once the phone is completely off, you need to press and hold the power button and volume down button for approximately 30 seconds until you are in the fast boot mode. So press and hold power button and volume down. And now we can release both buttons. Now that we are in the fast boot mode, we can press volume up or down in order to choose a different option over here. So let's search for the recovery mode and then confirm by pressing the power button. After that, the phone will restart once again, just quickly, and soon we should see the dead Android logo with no command text. So we need to press and hold the power button and then press volume up once you are holding the power button. And now we are in the Android recovery mode. Over here we can navigate once again by using volume buttons and confirm by pressing the power button. So essentially we need to go to wipe data / factory reset, confirm, and then choose factory data reset and once again confirm. And apparently there is one more way that allows you to factory reset the phone, and that is with the help of the repair tool that we can find on the Google website. And this is the website that I'm talking about. Over here we have the Pixel Phone Help website. This is of course the Google website. And here we can read that we can use the update and software repair tool for our Pixel phone. And here we have the instructions. So you will need to have a computer and connect the USB cable that can connect to your phone. We need to do that. We need to connect our phone to our computer with the USB cable, and then we need to go to this website and follow the on-screen instructions. So I'm gonna leave the website link in the description below this video, so you can go to that website and you can follow these instructions in order to perform this reset if you prefer it that way. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!